Mac, Hayden, Nori, Rin, and everyone else. Oh, Rin, you are making some bank, I see. Very good with a fiver. Absolute legend. Here we go. Autoplay check statistic. See a little more, and it would have been coin flip 50x for you. Maran, yeah, true. I hate you. It's alright. You can't love everyone in this life, Niros, you know. And one with the 5x we have. Hello, Rives. Here in Philippines. What about in Latvia? It is 5:30 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, 5:30. You just need a little extra luck and sending good vibes? True, thank you. And when you send good vibes, we have a crazy time. That's what happens. Crazy. You see, what a legend, Rives. I know, stop it, guys. I know, stop it. I know, stop it, guys. Crazy time. Anyways, hey guys. Yeah. Very good, very nice. Okay, what do we have? Good old... Oh, wait. Triple and 200 we will have. What a fans. Things, you know. Or choose the color. Green, blue, and yellow. Which one speaks the most? Would you go for it? 200 we will have, and triple. I haven't seen triple for a while, so let's get it to you guys. Let's go. Oh, we have a 200 for blue. What a legends. We have a yellow 15 and green.
Not the Santa as a Santa Claus, no. And not the Satan as a Satan, no. It's Sanita, something in between a Santa Claus and a Satan. Are we ready? Hi. Hey. It's time to hunt some cash. Okay, I'm starting to get worried. Sing a favorite song for you. What's my favorite song? That's a good question. Come on, cash hunt, you can do this. Come on, baby. Stop, I beg you. Time to hunt some cash. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? We have a cash hunt. Bring it on as there is no tomorrow. Welcome to the hunting ground, to the cash hunt bonus game. Oh snap, we did it, you did it. Okay, let's go. So, let's triple those multis, shall we? We have 3 times boosted from the top slot. Yeah, call it magic. Let's go. Highest multi 300x. Sweet! Let's hide all those emojis, guys. Multis, I mean. Hide emojis. They're not related anyhow. Yeah, please keep in mind. Vice versa. So, mixing, shuffling them up. Making a little kind of a mess. I don't know if you know what I mean. So, now most important moment, ladies and gentlemen. You need to choose the target. You get only one shot at this. Choose wisely. More than 10 seconds to decide. I also going to choose the target. So, let's go. I'm going to be going for apple in this row. Yeah, the first apple. From the left. So, final moment. Okay, let's go. Reveal those movies, please. I got the 30x. Congratulations, so it is more than 30 players found our 300x.
I believe. I've noticed that. Cash out with a 7x. So that was, I believe, I could say that it was taken care of, the game. So, come on. Come on, please, cash out with a 7x. Please. Ladies and gentlemen, my honor to take you back to the Cash on Money world. Oh, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, if you gave it a bet, that's going to be amazing, I'm telling you. Look at those multipliers. Look at this, up to 100x, 50x and stuff. Everything getting multiplied by 7 right there. So 700, 350x, and all the things. Oh, whoa. What a wall. Everything got covered with emojis getting mixed and shuffled there for you. So if you give it a bet, you're gonna get 1 shot to go. Choosing one target by yourself or body emoji. Remember, emojis and multipliers got shuffled there, not connected. That 700x might be behind any of them. Final decisions. Final seconds for decisions. So by yourself or not. Out to pick. I don't know. I think I know what I would pick. You shut it out. My bunny brings 35 of those. Okay. 18 of you got 700x. 600 of you got 350x.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.